Hi, my name's Mary Kate. I'm a qualified exercise physiologist, natural therapist, and health coach. And I'm on a mission to empower as many people as possible to be inspired to live their best life. And part of that is being able to have healthy movement, healthy eating, healthy mindset, and a healthy home. And today I'm going to talk about how you can detox your home and why you should. What I believe to be the most economical, cost-effective, healthiest, natural product on the market today that has healing qualities in it, because I don't believe there's any other cleaning product that can claim that and be true to their word, than there is in Thieves. Young Living's Thieves. So let me run you through why I believe Thieves is the uncomparable, ultimate best household cleaner, and why detoxing your home with it and its associated products are probably the best thing you can do for your family and your home. Okay, let's have a look at the dirty truth behind household cleaning products. We are exposed to thousands of chemicals and products in our lifetime. And even more so now, there are chemicals and toxins invading our body on a daily basis, more so than ever before. Yes, they come in through processed foods and environmental toxins, but the one thing that we can control is what chemicals come into our home. Household cleaners are one of the top 5 most common sources of poisoning. Some ingredients found in cleaning products may be linked to levels of toxicity, allergies, irritations, and poisoning. And we probably already know this anyway. Most of you may be stumbling across this and may have used other products in the past. And I speak to a lot of people who use water only as cleaning. And let's be frank, sometimes water just doesn't do a good enough job. How do we know if a cleaning product is harmful? Well, one of the best ways to make your home a natural haven is to be aware of the ingredients to avoid in your personal care and your cleaning products. So how do we know it's harmful? Well, one thing is probably the biggest one is when it has a poison sign on it. If you're going to the supermarket or a store and you're buying a product that says warning, poisonous if inhaled or ingested, then it's probably a good indication that you'd want to be putting that back and shop with your dollar. Make decisions that are healthy and long-term beneficial for you and your family. If there's a combustible warning, that's probably another good indication that it is toxic. If it says unscented or fragranced, it is also likely to be toxic, most likely, because they have to put it on there. If there's something in there that's unscented, if it had no scent at all, why would you have to put the warning that it's unscented? So there's something in there that you're inhaling that you might not pick up. And that is because the synthetics are really detrimental to our health. So let me quickly explain synthetics. So we have natural compounds growing in plants. They're the botanicals that are what have healed humanity for centuries. When you take that compound and bring it into a lab and you synthetically reproduce it, it doesn't have the wholeness that it would in the compound that is coming from the plant. Structurally, chemically, you could look at those two compounds and go, well, they're exactly the same, but they're actually not. They have a different effect on the body, and you can go and look that up. I will do a post on that individually. So the Thieves range really is the ultimate, because it has a Thieves household cleaner, dishwashing liquid, laundry detergent, even the fruit and veggie soak, so that you know you can get your pesticides and herbicides off your fruits and vegetables that you're buying. Okay, so probably one of the reasons I really wanted to make this video for YouTube is because I really want to share with people, how do they live their best life? Well, first of all, you take out the things that aren't going to be beneficial to you. And that is these here. The Thieves product lines are formulated without all of these. So what's getting a lot of attention in recent years is sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. And I'm really stoked about it, because when I studied natural therapies 23 years ago, no one really knew about it except for the people who were studying it. And I would, it's been a long battle to try and educate people about sodium lauryl sulfate. In short, it's a carcinogen. It is in shampoos, and if you're using it in shampoos, it's going straight into your blood-brain barrier, straight into your blood system. It is something that you do not want to have as an accumulative product that you're using on a regular basis that's accumulating toxins in your body. Parabens, also carcinogenic. If you go and do your research, and I'm going to do individual videos on probably all of these, but probably looking at all of them, you will notice that they are all carcinogens. Formaldehyde, perfumes, fluoride, synthetic ingredients, they're also hormone disruptors. And so we have an intricate web in our bodily systems that hormones are a messenger. They come in and they trigger a cascade of processes for our body to always come back into homeostasis or balance. When you have something or one of these products coming in, breathing it in or through the skin or ingesting it, you are going to have an imbalance, and your body's going to continually fight to be in balance. But those toxins are already in your system. Your liver and kidney and your lymphatic system are working overtime to try and get rid of them. But if you're continuously inhaling them, ingesting them, and so forth, you're going to have an accumulation that your body just cannot get rid of. What happens then? It produces a cancer cell to say, oh, I can't cope with this any longer. I need to produce a sponge-like tumor in order to hold these toxins in. So that's a whole nother story. We'll do another video on that. Formaldehyde, 100% linked to respiratory conditions. You can do a lot of peer-reviewed research on that and see just how harmful it is. And maybe you do not know, but formaldehyde is still in the glues in carpets, and particularly carpets, freshly laid carpet, and furniture in your home. So we are exposing ourselves to these things, particularly if we're getting a new home, but we don't want to be bringing them into our home through the bottles of chemicals that we're going to be cleaning our home with. So the solution, of course, is Thieves. Now, Thieves is a blend of essential oils. It has cinnamon bark, lemon, rosemary, eucalyptus, and clove, and they are all very, very powerful, healing, cleansing essential oils. You can go and have a look at why Thieves was named that way, and I'll also do a video on that. Using the power of Thieves essential oil in your home means that your home will smell fresh. It'll also be clean, but more importantly, what happens is when you're breathing in these compounds from the essential oils, is on a cellular level, your cell receptors that are taking in and taking out messengers, but also minerals and vitamins, and having that process happen, it will be cleansing that. So, for example, you will have a calcium receptor on your cell, and you need calcium for every cellular activity. If that is blocked by toxins and heavy metals, you will not be able to absorb calcium, and then therefore you will become deficient in calcium. Even though you might be consuming calcium, you might not be having the ability to absorb it, or you're taking something that is actually synthetic and it's not going to be absorbed anyway. So there's two aspects to that. But with the cells, we want to be breathing in things that are going to be cleansing the cells. These essential oils are going to be cleansing every cell. So if you use that in your cleaning product and you're going around your house and spraying a product that contains these thieves, of course you're going to have a healing effect as well as cleansing. So they can cleanse the cell receptor. They can also cleanse in the same way your benches, countertops, bathrooms, kitchens, and cleanse and basically wipe away the toxins. So every Thieves product has the Thieves essential oil blend in it, and probably most people's favorite is the Thieves household cleaner. There are more than 30 uses for the Thieves household cleaner. If you think anything you do in your cleaning regime in your home, or if you're a commercial cleaner and you're watching this, yay, get in touch. You will need this product. It is a concentrate. So a 500 ml bottle turns out to be about $2.80 when you're using it, and heavy duty or light cleaning a little bit different to that. But 20 uses just on this page for the Thieves household cleaner: floors, windows, countertops, ovens, sinks, toilets, cabinets, bathtubs, showers, tiles, appliances, walls, mirrors, stove tops, cupboards, pots and pans, exercise equipment, toys, and jewelry. Everyone I've seen in the past has a cupboard full, and I've seen cleaners with a bucket full of different chemicals that are harmful to their health, and yet you can replace all that with the Thieves household cleaner. So here we go. Here is a way of diluting it, and of course when you are ready to get your Thieves household cleaner, I would support you and help you understand how to dilute for the most effective clean. So we also have the kitchen. And when we think about the kitchen, we obviously need the dish soap. Think about how detrimental harmful chemicals are when you inhale them. And we also possibly know already that we can get a bowl of hot water when we're unwell, put some eucalyptus oil in there, cover our head with a towel, and we're inhaling that because we know how beneficial it is. Take that same scenario, you're doing a hot boiling water or very, very hot water to wash up your dishes, and the whatever chemical you put in there is going to be starting to evaporate into the air, and you're breathing that in. Now, if that's a fragrance, that's instantly a synthetic and therefore a hormone disruptor. Respiratory conditions can begin. So you would want a dishwashing liquid that you could put in this warm or hot, very hot water, that when you're inhaling it is beneficial. Thieves dish soap. It's also a concentrate, and it can be reduced down and hacked out. Thieves fruit and veggie soak. Again, we are exposed to lots and lots of chemicals through our food, and some of it is residue from the pesticides and herbicides from the farming industry. We want to be able to remove as much of those as possible, and water just won't cut it. The Thieves fruit and veggie soak is the best and safest way to get the pesticides and herbicides off your vegetables. Finish on this, that the essential oils that you get from other companies highly likely will have synthetics in them. And when you have synthetics, you will have disruption to your hormones, which will be a disruption to your health. So consider Thieves as your only go-to. It's the cheapest household cleaner and cleaning range that is on the market today, and there's nothing else that compares to its healing ability while you clean.